Well, hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Today, I want to show you one of our newest products, the Brilliant Brow Gel, and how to use it. If you've seen it, if you've gotten the emails about it and you're interested, and you have the type of brows that would benefit from this brow gel pen. So today, I'm gonna pin my bangs back so you can kind of see. Mike is in the other room if you hear him. First, I'm going to talk about the difference between your eyebrow pencil and the brow gel pen. So if you use an eyebrow pencil, sorry, had to pause, Micah. If you have an eyebrow pencil, these are best for thinner brows, filling in, okay? So if you have maybe thicker, like I have thicker here, and then it kind of tapers off where I get like super plucky, that's kind of where I would want to fill in, right at where that peak is. It's important with your pencil, that's the spoolie, it's important with your pencil that you warm it up first. And this was new to me, I did not know this. So I already kind of did that, but I just kind of rub it on its side so you guys can see it to warm it up. And that way the lines that you draw don't look super harsh. So I'm going to warm up my pencil, and I'm not going to do a bunch with this, but again, a pencil is for thinner brows. And I'm just going to show you kind of, it's going to fill in the bottom. So what you do is fill in where you want a little more. And again, this is not the best lighting, or I'm looking at a video, not a mirror. And then you use your spoolie to sort of blend it in, okay? So that is very simply the eyebrow pencil. Again, that is for thinner eyebrows. Now, the brow gel is for if you have unruly eyebrows. So if you have like the spiders, or like I have one sometimes I pluck that like make weird angles. So that is what the Brilliant Brow Gel is for. And I'm going to show you this in action too. I really, really do like this, but there's sort of an art to it and a trick to it. And you can use both together. So if you have thinner brows, but the ones you have are also unruly, then I would definitely recommend using these in tandem. So what I'm showing you, these are both the light versions. The Brilliant Brow Gel pen comes in invisible. If you just need to tame some unruly brows, but you have fuller eyebrows, you're gonna want the invisible. Light, medium, dark, and then black is really, really harsh, but I have the light. I could have gone medium, but I really think this is the best for me. And I'm kind of wiping off a little bit of the top. You can see a little bit of what that color looks like. But I'm just gonna show you, I know my lighting is not great, but how you can just brush up where you need a little more fullness. And again, I'm gonna go to a mirror and like double check. Then on this side, again, I did not use the pencil on this side, but some of those thinner areas. And then I just kind of take the other side of the brush. I need to get in front of better light for you. But I've been using it for about a week now, and I'm finding that, so when I step back a little bit, and again, like I'm gonna take the spoolie and blend it in a little bit more. And if you've never had full darker brows, if you are super thin or you don't have eyebrows, it can be a drastic change for you. So maybe start with the light and just kind of fill in the gaps, and then slowly start to give your eyebrows a little bit more shape. I really like it so far. This is new to me, and I'm somebody that would love to do microblading, if you've ever heard of that, but that can be really expensive, and it's just not in my budget right now. This is in my budget. So if you want to check it out, the link is in your email. So if you want to check it out, the link is there, beautycounter.com/KellyTobin. I believe it's around $22, $25. Will last a long time. And you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you use it for a while and realize that your brows don't look any different, or you don't feel any more confident using it, you can certainly return it, and I can help you with that as well. But thank you so much. Let me know what questions you have. Remember, warm up your eyebrow pencil, use the spoolie. This is for thinner brows, and this is for unruly brows. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.